Good morning, Stampers! It's Diane Dimich with DDStamps.com, and this morning I'm going live on my Facebook to try some new things. I'm trying out some new things in my business to see how things go. And I got the Stampin' Up! Card kit. So it's called the Card Keeper Kit. And I just pulled it out of the box and thought this would be a fun thing to do as a live. So I'm going to share it with you today. I haven't even opened the box to see what's inside there, and we'll see how this all goes. So switch my camera over to the Card Keeper Kit, and it comes in these great, but I love these boxes that our kits come in. Oh, the sun's going to shine a little bit here, I see. Oh well, it's a beautiful day here in Red Lodge. Maybe I can put a piece of cardstock or something to block that. I don't want to block it too much because I want the sunshine to light up my video. Anyway, these boxes are great. I like to store cardstock and all kinds of stuff in them. And in the box, you get these two pieces. This is actually a box for keeping your cards, and I'm going to put that together today too. And then these are the actual cards that go in the Card Keeper. So this is one of the new kits this month from Stampin' Up! Like I said, I just got it and thought, oh, this would be a fun little Facebook Live. Oh, you know what? I didn't post so I could look at comments. Let me see if I can. All right, I think now I might be able to see your comments. You'll have to let me know. If you're out there, drop a comment, give me a like and a share. All right, so here's all the pieces. Oh, these are going to be beautiful. You get different languages. And then the instructions are on this side of this is a stamp, or this is a kit without a stamp set, so there's no stamping involved in this one. So let's look at what we got here. We've got these beautiful gold foil embellishments. We've got sentiments. We've got some vellum. I don't know if you can see that, some vellum. This is some adhesive, so I'll be using that to put my cards together. We've got envelopes. I'll put those over here for now. These are the card bases. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, and they got little gold foil in the flowers. Those are beautiful. There's 5 of those. These must be for the dividers for the card kit. So I'm going to put that with the card kit for now. Here's some more die cut pieces. Lots of sentiments. So I think there's like German, English, and I don't know what the other one is. Here's 5 more card bases. All right, so we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to put the sentiments. Oh, there's some dimensionals too. I'll put the sentiments aside for now. Try to stay a little bit organized this morning. All right, so we're going to open up our instructions and read what it says. And to begin with, we're going to put together this card, which these cards are really super simple to put together, but what a fun project to do if you don't really have a whole lot of time. So this one uses a piece of the vellum, and then it uses Just Because from your sentiment sheet. So I'm pull that off. And it uses a gold foil leaves. All right, so those are the pieces to put this card together. We're going to go ahead and we're going to flip this over and add some dimensionals. I'll probably just do one of each of the cards. I'll finish the rest of them later, and then I'll put the box together. And then on the back of this, it actually might have been on the front, but that's all right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take the sentiment, take those backings off, those dimensionals, and we're going to add this to our vellum piece. And then we're going to add our gold piece. Cute. So you'll see on these are double stick adhesive. So you pull one off and it's sticky, and then you pull the backing off. All right, and once you've done that, so this, because we're using vellum and sometimes adhesive shows through vellum, we're just going to add these pieces of adhesive so that they're covered up by the sentiment on the front. Super easy cards to put together. I'm going to add that to my card base. Cute. First card is done, and it comes with a beautiful pool party envelope. All right, so there's card number 1. Card number 2 is here on the directions. And this one uses this card base. That's going to be on the front. We are going to use a couple of the die-cut vines or leaves. I'm just putting these together exactly how the instructions show, but you don't have to do that. You could actually put them together, you know, just using the parts and pieces your own way. And I may do that with the other cards when I'm done with this. But for right now, I'm just going to put them together as the directions have us do it. All right, so this one's going to have Thinking of You, I think. Hopefully I can find that fairly quickly. All right, so the backs of these, the Thinking of You gets dimensionals. And the other pieces are going to get these self-adhesives. I like that they have that little round dot there for the adhesive, so you know it's going to stick to your card. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put this card together. So we pull the backs off this. And these are going to go on there. And this one's going to go here. And then these are going to go on the... I'm just kind of guessing here. I'm following the instructions. So hopefully it still looks good. I think it will. This one's going to go here. And these are going to go here. Cute. Card number 2, and this one, you can actually mix these up. So, I don't know, I guess I might use the blue maybe like that. So those are the cards. Now I'm going to put together the box. And so I'm just going to move this stuff kind of to the side for a moment and bring in the box pieces. So let me open up the box here. This is really substantial. I mean, it's heavy duty. Oh, look. Not only is it heavy duty, but look at the foil on that. It's beautiful. It's going to make a beautiful box on my desk. Take out the pieces, and then I'm going to flip my instructions over. And these are the file folders. So they are each, they're chipboard, so I can put the stickers on them. So that one will be like birthdays, love and support, seasonal. Cute. This would make a great gift. Special occasions. Thank yous. Cute, cute, cute. And then miscellaneous. So those are your file folders ready to go. And again, if you're using a different language, you've got lots of stickers for that too. So these are made to be used worldwide. All right, so there's my file folders. Now I'm going to take the box and figure out oh, cute. All right, so that's how the box goes together. So this was all flipped in together like this. You just open it up, push that down, and then you will see inside here that has the 3M tape along those edges, and then these flip up. Super easy. Cute too. And it keeps it so that it's square. Probably should only pull off one at a time. So square that up. All right, so I took the sticky off this one, and you can see just put it up against the side. I'll do the same thing with this one. I already took the strip off that. So I'm going to lay it down. And do that side. And do that on all 4 sides. Oh, this one's already done. So you only have to do 3 sides because one is done for you. There's your box. There's your file folders. Here is your Just Because card. There. I don't know if that would probably go under miscellaneous. Am I Thinking of You would go love and support. Cute box. So that is, I have enough cards to make 10. I have enough supplies to make 10 different cards, 5 of each. I'll probably have some leftover pieces. I'll definitely have some leftover in languages. And that's kind of a fun gift also that you could make for somebody and then add your own personal cards if you wanted to, or give it to them as a gift for them to make. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already done so, you want to sign up for my newsletter where I send out tips, tricks, and techniques each week and keep you informed about what I got going on because I got lots going on this time of year. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. We will speak to you soon. Thank you.